purpose of this project are to know how rainy season is important for our staple food, waiting for the rain that are used in our daily life, to sabotage being farmer and helpful for farmers, to know how do our grandfather brothers have cooperation in doing something like this project. You all can see our unity in the following picture about this project. Ingredients that we use in this project: purple for background, color for plant, artificial green, artificial tree, color, blue, stone for water. First step, we just color. We all make coloring. This is drag. We all make crops. Coloration of us. This is our project. Thank you for your paying attention.
How long did you take to complete your project?
It took us 1 day.
Within 1 day you can complete your project.
Yes.
What is the name of your project?
Crops during the rainy season. Crops during the rainy season.
Which message?
What is the message for this
This
project?
project.
To know how important crops, plants, and those things are, and how valuable farmers are to us.
Okay, how much cost this project? How much money is for this project? Do you know? Do you know?
I think it is 10,000.
10,000. How many students in your class?
It's 11.
11.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, 1 day I said 2 days will not be good.
Okay, how many work?
4 years.
4 and how many years?
6 years.
6. Mine is 4. 5.
Why do you accept?
Okay.
Knowledge is learned from this project.
Your own idea.
What you get from this project?
We made it with 10,000, so it is good. And we made it so hard.
You made it so hot.
The crops and the tomatoes, the pumpkin and corn, we made it so hard.
Okay, what do you get this project? What do you get the advantages of this project from this project?
Yes, you like.
Do you mean what kind of knowledge you get from it?
And knowledge.
Sorry. Knowledge.
Say yes.
We know how vegetation is important to us and how the farmers and those people who grow the plants are really important to us. Before we do this project, we have a little research and we learn a lot from it.
Media.
Social media,
Social
YouTube,
media.